First, we'll go to settings right there. Then we will press phone. Click on Bluetooth device list. Notice at the very bottom, we'll press add Bluetooth device. Here it says make sure Bluetooth is turned on your device. Then we will make sure Bluetooth is turned on our phone screen right there. We'll come back to that car screen and press continue. It will be searching for a moment and then you will see your device name coming on the screen. We'll just click on that. Now the car will give you a code and the same code should match on the screen of your phone. We will double check to see both of these codes are same. Then we will press pair on the phone screen. Phone will ask permission to allow contacts and favorite sync. We'll just press allow for now and then you will see it says Bluetooth connected to iPhone just right there. Now it's up to you if you want to connect Apple CarPlay. I'll just press connect for now. Now it's asking if you want to connect Honda Link Assist. I will just press off for that. That is how we connect a phone through Bluetooth. Now suppose you want to delete a connected phone. We'll again go back to that home screen. Then click on settings. Click on phone, then press Bluetooth device list. There's our iPhone right there. We'll press on that. See two options, disconnect or delete. In my case, I want to delete. Do you want to delete this device? We'll press yes. iPhone has been deleted. That is how you connect or delete a Bluetooth phone on this car. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.